And in the pocket.
Boy, Caden, I feel like you cursed more than I did tonight. I tried to hold it back. You just said, fuck!
Just remember, you asshole, ain't no motherfucking cursing tomorrow with that damn show.
Yeah, no, we can't fucking curse.
I know! I thought we were going to practice that tonight. Thank you for the smoking.
Can't flippin' curse that.
Which means the word cunt is off the books completely. Which is actually my favorite word in the English language is cunt.
You know what age
You know what I think? I think we'll be fine on that.
Old bastard?
Right, but you know
Old
what,
fucker?
how you catch old age, right? It's cunt ages.
Really? Because my voice is a little...
Yeah, bullshit. It's all like...
Old age is contagious.
Yeah, and it's through bullshit.
All right, man, thank you for coming.
What do you think's not
That is not my wallet, that is my snare wallet. And I need to find a way to like clip it to the snare because it's falling off. Yeah, that one's purely for muffling.
We have a show.
I've got a wallet that's got all the shit in it.
Oh, come on, yeah. You know, some of that other shit. We've learned.
No, always do a lot of reggae or special occasion?
So, I've always thought that our sound is intellectual content. If the Police and the Great Dead met some Blind and Ransom. So some ska. And
yeah, no, it's very, very
fine.
So that's where the creative
stuff comes from. Especially the way
it's fun, dude. I'm digging it.
Yeah, man.
Dude, that's fucking
my
crazy.
favorite music to play is Stuff With Nobody's.
Well, I can keep going.
Thanks, man.
But yeah, you're drumming. We gotta pump that bass. I think we did pretty good for the first.
Well, this time my shit wasn't good, so I could rely on that. The Speakeasy show, like, first 3 songs, shit just kept failing on my kid.
Yeah.
Pain in the ass having to play one-handed.
I will. And
grandma's
my
baby.
fingers kept wanting to go
Get used to
fast. Good. We were playing.
Get your boss to have one.
Big piece of shit is what it is. But like, I love fucking boutique ass old school shit. This motherfucker has a 12 volt or no 18 volt fucking power supply, which is a real pain in the ass, but and it's fucking enormous. So I might actually delete it off of my board here soon.
It's pretty big. I think you can get some more board
Hey, you want to see something real fucking cute?
I just bought all the parts to make a clone for a Klon Centaur.
So I just deleted this
just for my organ sound. Because I really
and
want
it
to
might go back on. Some of it's got a tube in it. A telecom. No, it's definitely got an old.
It's not mine.
It's actually got a
You're not getting this one, man. I usually smoke. Hey, Kate, I'm gonna snag one of you.
I mean, and it's not like a point in just metal. It's really, really fucking.
Oh, that's it.
Discreet. It's not crazy.
like
La 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 la.
It's just like it's as what the heck? I don't know. I'm attached to it just because A, it's rare and B, it's a big reason.
So you're that's a monster board.
Yeah, and you know I used to fancy myself as a man. Shit.
I use this guy, and it just has all my effects on it.
Hell yeah, and you got the higher flips.
Yeah.
Fucking, I started.
Bro, your shit looks like the cockpit of some old-fashioned space shuttle.
Yeah, it fucking flies like it too.
So why the 2 reverb pedals?
Okay, so it's a multi-effects. So I run the octave because it's a really high octave.
Oh, I see.
And then this one's actually reverb and delay, which I just really like the reverb on that there pedal. But then you can't get both effects. Like,
is awesome, though. That thing
Yeah,
is,
the
like,
funny
amazing.
thing is I'm about to delete that. Fucking.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you willing to sell it?
Man, I really fucking. I don't want to sell it, and also, mind you, they're kind of defective. So, like, you're supposed to be able to have all these presets and save them, but that shit straight up don't work. And you go looking online, and it's kind of like a fucking a defect in almost all of them.
I wanted to get a mini pog.
Yeah, no, mini pog. I 100%. I would trade this in a heartbeat for a mini pog.
Yeah.
So it's gonna
But
Because the tracking, if you try to do
That's
octave,
cool.
And this amp.
it just sounds like crap. Like, well, it doesn't sound like crap, but the tracking on it is terrible.
These are
So,
speakers.
like,
So
it's being really
I got this
precise.
bass octave, so
What
I
you can do
predominantly
is so
just
cool.
use
I
that.
gave
So
the-
this is
I
actually
did
two
give
different
the-
boards.
Here's
I
your
give
volume
it-
So I'm playing through two different amps,
Clicks on and off.
and like why
Yeah,
that
dude,
happened
you
was
made-
like
you
looping.
made
It gets
that.
so fucking nutty.
Yeah.
So I
That's
got
what I
like a
thought.
looper
I have one
amp,
very
He's
similar.
got a
which is
Scott
a
shit
rhythm
laying around
amp,
so he
and
don't
then I
really-
have a lead amp.
It's such a good
And like
deal.
that's why I got two different boards pretty much to kind of
That
isolate my
amplifier you
loops.
gave, the little
which
amp that
both
came with
amp
that
has
guitar
its own
that I
loop.
got, I gave it
That's the
to
orange
the
amp.
street. And but I kept the
Yeah, that
it's
it's
also
just
Bluetooth.
80 wise.
It's my Bluetooth speaker.
Like,
I can play my guitar into it.
I don't know.
It's dope as fuck.
I
though.
can
That's
put
a
it
cool
on
part.
Be like, oh, it's the best ABY switch out there. I just like fucking drank the orange Kool-Aid, got too much orange shit, man.
No, fuck, dude, no
I wanted to
way.
get the little
That away?
orange amp head for bass.
Not-
Because it's
not
like
this
tiny,
coming
but
back.
it's got meat.
Not
It's really
this
really
first
good.
Thursday, but a bunch.
Super, super
I
good.
already got one.
Which
Yeah,
one
that
is it?
sucks. I would've
The
kept that
bass
orange.
butler?
Oh no, it's oh my god.
The bass terror?
Yes, the bass terror.
Dude,
yeah.
I want a Becca bass
Yeah,
terror.
yeah.
Like, fucking. See, these terror amps are awesome.
Yeah. What we'll do is we'll get if Mike would do us the honor when we play, break it out and play it so we can hear what it sounds like. That'll be next month, not this month. All right, I got that. Thanks again for coming, man.
Yeah.
Thanks again for coming out.
Ah,
Well, I didn't mean
he
coming
said
out.
coming.
I didn't mean coming out.
Oh, and that dude,
Not that there's anything wrong with it.
Starliner.
Yeah.
Starliner.
Where do you come from?
Washington, D.C.
But here's a shot of whiskey.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a shot when I get packed up.
Great event, Jason. Those are really, really good.
Yeah, hopefully. I mean, it's gonna get hot,
Yeah.
but I think it'll still be good. I really do.
I love that I got my Sweetwater cables back. They're basically Mogami cables with different branding on them, so they're somehow cheaper.
Hey, don't ruin the magic.
No, dude, that's why I bought them, is because they were not as expensive as Mogami, but it's the same cables.
What is it?
Sweetwater brand name cables, or it's the same cable, they're made by Mogami cables, which are, in my opinion, the best sounding fucking mic and instrument cables you could get. But they're fucking expensive, so the Sweetwater brand name ones, since they're the fucking
Hey,
same.
what you doing is super solid. See that cord that's plugged in that power strip? It's gonna plug from Thank you so much.
Of course you are.
I ain't got enough hands for all this. I ran out of patience.
Do me a favor, hand me the XLR reel behind the dump stand.
XLR.
Sir?
Where'd my bucket go? It's way over here.
Oh, that's just.
You like this? It's satisfying.
Yeah.
I like that, but you like it.
It only makes sense, right?
It does. It does. I mean, it does. And then it fucking sounds great. It sounds great.
Just be glad we weren't waiting on Ryan for that.
Oh, I know. No, we were for a while.
Right,
It all
well,
worked
fucking,
out.
I'm glad. Like, I mean,
It all worked out.
did the jam of fucking that Mike guy? How'd that sound to the
That was
boys?
cool.
You guys were.
And we didn't know he could play drums that well. I mean, he seemed to do a pretty good job.
He was
hung on to you when you set a loop. He stayed with it, and then when he got off, he found his way back. So that's.
Well,
we didn't know he could play that well.
I guess
really.
he'd never played in front of people
Right,
before.
right.
So, like,
But he had a solid tempo and everything. man.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
first time playing in front of people was me and Jason out at the studio, and he's like, I've never played in front of anyone but my family. And this was
Right.
the first time he was in front of a crowd.
Yeah, he
no,
did
that's
good.
Cool,
He
man.
did good.
Like, I just, you know, when we were up here doing the thing, I felt like a big old asshole because, like, I just had nothing to. Usually I can sing improv pretty easy, but I just. I was just too shy, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, you poor thing.
Nothing was coming to my mind. I was not intending to fucking do that jam, or that jam on that riff, but so I was just gonna do some sloppy open E's and go to A, you know.
It went cool.
Just blues and shit.
I can't wait to watch you play that.
We just kind of accidentally.
But there's vibes.
I just hope, yeah. It's like I felt
Yeah,
like
he did. He did. He really did.
I felt like a dickweed because like last week I was trying to get him, you know, sign up to participate and whatnot, and I like got my shit right off once we were done. I was like, fuck.
You guys did great tonight, straight.
Yeah.
No, man.
The way she goes.
Like it. And the audience did too.
Yeah.
That table of old people really liked it.
Oh, hell yeah, they're what it's all for. They can't appreciate some shitty classic rock new shit, then I don't know who's gonna.
Right.
Yeah, my grandpa likes you guys a lot. He likes a lot of the balls to the wall.
Energy.
Hard hitting rock and roll.
Yeah, and then that high-end vocal.
In fact, he even called you guys a class act.
Well, hell, I'll take.
Take that coming from Frank.
I hear that.
You don't like nothing.
He don't. He's like, I don't want to goddamn these guys.
Motherfuckers.
It's okay, but that's loud.
Yeah, no, trying to feel out just like like, you know, mapping out outdoors, like, that's a whole thing, too. It's like,
You guys were awesome.
All right,
Thanks,
man.
man.
okay, I've got a.
And you didn't even hear the band from Buzzard Hill, did you?
Huh?
You didn't hear the opening band, did you?
I don't think I got to hear Buzzard Hill, no. I didn't get to hear you guys.
They suck.
Well, they weren't as good as the following acts, but
Well, I've actually, just through like TikTok, like local bandmates and shit, you know, people that I knew through ACM, I've heard a lot about Buzzard Hill.
really?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be damned. That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, doesn't Ian go to the ACM a lot?
I think so.
Huh?
I don't know.
Ian Morrison.
Yeah, I know Ian Morrison.
That's
yeah.
That's his son.
No shit. Didn't he work with Nick Layton?
I'm a
I
laissez-faire
know
father
Morrison,
at this
yeah.
point.
He's dope. Oh, that's rich. 6 degrees of separation, man.
Yeah, he'll be at the show tomorrow night. We'll see you.
What's your
Moody's down in Norman.
fucking miss you? Last time I played there was in like 2013.
Yeah, if you want
That's
to
what
show
the
up with
difference
your
are
keyboard.
I'm playing at a senior center for a couple hours background jazz.
You
No
know, how to,
shit.
you know how to do some fills in A minor, right?
Oh, dude, I can transpose the key.
Show up.
Yeah? Tomorrow?
For
What time?
sure. Yeah, we start at 9.
I will be there. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard you on the keys. You know, play.
Hey,
And we're not opposed. I'm not going to pay you right away.
You ain't gotta pay shit, dude. Just
would like to
give me the opportunity.
We got the core players that are doing this.
I do this shit for the music, man.
We do too.
This is my number one job.
Yeah.
I can
Me
tell.
too.
Up and down.
Put your
Yeah,
your harmonies were absolutely emphatic.
Thank you.
It shows. It shows. Goddamn near perfect pitch.
I almost got to get away.
Now, it was perfect
relative
pitch.
pitch. I do not know what key I'm singing in at all.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
This is
I'm
the part where you
relative.
don't talk. Just let them all be fooled. You had perfect pitch, bro. That was absolutely
You were
fantastic.
perfectly relative.
Perfect.
I'll
That's,
take that.
there's a band.
Yeah, I'll take that.
All right, I gotta go find bro. Gotta get this Wi-Fi so I can do the call.
I'll catch you around, buddy.
Well, that's awesome, because I felt like I blew up my voice singing what I love.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Me too, buddy.
I blow up my voice with whiskey and cigarettes. Two of them on stage.
Hello.
Find myself in the cavernous spaces.
Only when I'm done with them, right?
It sounded good. I think it all sounded good. And I think that I kept going over the camera and putting my chin on it, which put my ears right above the XY. You know, it's a little heavy to the right because the PA was off to the right. I'll push that back to the end. But it was fucking solid. It sounded beautiful, just clearly. And I was worried about that.
That's the biggest one. You know, I will say when I was first up here, at very first, I could not hear myself at all. So that was jarring. I had no idea how that was.
But you could hear yourself later?
I feel like it got better.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Brain
better.
kind of quit working though after a while, so.
So it looks like what we need is a bigger mixer and more 57s.
Before I leave, I want to. So I would
Hey,
hey,
which-
catch your stuff.
I've got some drum mics at home that I've
But
got.
like, you have it show up to speed for us.
You could always, always,
Speakeasy at,
you should
First
as a
Street.
drummer
Yeah.
bring your kick mic, like a
Well, I
vocalist.
just discovered it in my old grandpa's home.
That's
I don't
cool.
know shit today.
And then
But
it's
it's near
then it's
Grandma.
your kick mic and it's, you know, you
Hell
bring
yeah,
it like
fuck,
fucking a singer brings his mic. Here's my
April
58.
11th?
Yeah, always Friday.
And I've got some mic connectors
Yeah,
for
I'll-
top mics
get my-
Sick as fuck.
that will create.
See that one hard. We need to
my
promote the
laptops
shit
with one
out of
channel.
our show so we get
Laptops with one channel, with my
I like
headset
that.
with one channel. And that way, what's left is just kick snare vocals.
Right. Keeping it simple. And
Well, that
Six
picture?
mics.
yeah, he does.
Right?
but yeah, yeah.
6 mics.
Yeah,
and
still
one
for his
9 or 10.
lunchbox.
You really just need a kick, snare, and one overhead.
That's cool.
Yeah,
It's
right.
a fun place to play. We gotta fill it out though.
Okay,
Straight white
and so
buffalo.
you take that mic, that single mic, and then you
Right.
punch it in, insert cable,
Jason,
one big and heavy, one for the
I've been working on this just for the past couple months. It's just getting progress after I know.
Well, that's good. I love it.
And the only
So how
and
many
the only
do you have
and
in
the only clip is for the snare drum. Everything else, I've got a couple stands with a couple of double mics.
I'm just texting you straight by Buffalo.
Right
If
next
you
to the
would,
top. Right
text
next
me
to
the details. I got a
stands not going on.
It's just too.
Yeah, the
And
sliding out. Of the
they
kit.
vaguely. I know we played there before. I know those guys.
Yeah, that's a good.
We should review. That's good. Because they are pretty sticklers about days. Yeah. And you should check this. And you guys played there.
Hey,
We played there last March.
and we've got another show coming up there. When?
The 11th. We're trying to fill spots.
April 11th.
Yeah, we gotta fill some spots.
I would like to get either Funny Dog or Lover Girl. Probably Lover
Well,
Girl.
then that'll be on you. Do that.
I
Call them
can.
me.
Do you want to message Kyle? Or
Yeah.
What's his name? Is his name Kyle?
The drummer?
The drummer?
Yeah, I'll message Kyle and see what he's got.
Yeah.
Maybe he's got some other project. Cause I just want to have him there.
We're in fucking business, dude. Let's do that. That sounds good. We need to promote the
Okay.
shit out of it.
Hey,
We need to get people out
And
there.
if I get be in the
We need
hive,
the people there.
if I get be in the hive, they're
The people.
direct openers for us. They're not opener. They're direct support.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I look at these so often.
So you got too much shit. I've got shit over here, you got shit over there.
Yeah.
I hate it.
Get your shit together.
And I came white too today.
Light.
You've seen-
Team light today. This is recorded, right?
I know. Fucking 2 double stacks.
Yeah.
It's a menace, dude.
And this,
It's worse on me than it is for everybody else. I just hope everybody knows that. Do what?
correct. I just threw it.
No.
Oh, you already put it that way.
I know this belongs to the keyboard dude, so I'm gonna put it over there by the
You want
keyboard.
to lift one of these?
No, I don't want to carry anything extra. It's too hard for me to carry what I got already in order.
I understand the sentiment. I really do.
Yeah, Mike leaves his stand with me, and I can't stand it. No pun intended. I got you that brand new micro stand right there. You see that, Mike? Throw that piece of shit you got away.
I love that one.
Okay, well, leave it at your house then. Take it home and marry
Yeah,
it.
that's your at-home
You
recording
love it, take
microphone
it home and
stand.
marry it.
This is your stand for when you play.
Yeah,
Live.
that's your
It's
safe
good.
stand.
It probably
Needs a-
won't fall
needs a
over
head.
unless you.
But
set
I
it up
figured you
well.
could customize the head yourself. And here's this.
He didn't even use it.
No, he
You like
didn't.
the button?
But the gesture was wonderful. We got you covered.
I even shortened it up a lot.
I know.
You could put that on your Les Paul as for your backup guitar.
Yeah.
I'll be right. I'm gonna drive around over there. I'll try to keep from blocking anybody.
So, Mike, you want to load all your shit in the middle seats?
Center?
Okay. Yeah. That way I can unload this shit later tomorrow.
Gotcha.
And then you'll take your guitar.
Okay.
That way I don't have to unload nothing.
I'm gonna put this mic clip on there.
Yeah. And then just leave that one here, or
Ooh, I almost just stabbed your elbow.
but you didn't.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, I'm satisfied with that outcome.
That would have been a nasty stab.
And then there's all these chords that people brought. Where'd you put that one? You said the keyboard player's chord?
I put it over his keyboard.
Oh, he's still here?
Yeah.
Okay. This is somebody's.
Nobody.
It's the
Sanity?
Sanity. No. No, it was the lead liner, Starliner. But he played the keyboard, right?
No, that was the other guy. Oh, I don't know which one.
Oh yeah, Beloved or Belova.
And that other dude who played left-handed, his name is Yahya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yahya. Like in
Yeah.
Sandlot. Yahya.
Yeah. Hey, bros, I'm gone.
All right, be careful out there.
Yeah, we'll
Hey.
be careful out there. Good
Follow me
playing.
out here.
Thank you for inviting us.
Hey,
Love you guys.
come out here real quick, Jim.
I'm gonna come out there real quick, man.
Come out here real quick. No, actually, I'd say Monday night was a B minus. I'd say that it wasn't.
No, we were much better.
No, we weren't.
Where were we?
Mojos.
Dude, we killed it.
Only because the crowd was really drunk.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm saying.
It was actually a B minus for us.
I don't feel that way.
Well, if you would have shot a video, you'd be able to decide.
You're fucking right about that.
Even all the old school pros in the room were like, we've seen you guys at your A game. That was not it.
I'm gone.
But it was still good. It just wasn't up to the standard.
What? Mojo?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it again then. The people there really liked it. That fucking
Yeah.
girl really liked it.
Let's do it again next week if I'm not working.
Yeah. You know I'm not working too. There are a few people who really dug it that night.
Did Lowe's not last?
Huh?
Did Lowe's not last?
What do you mean? I'm still at Lowe's.
Okay, you're just off a lot.
Yeah.
You're new.
Lowe's is great. I enjoy my job very much with the plants.
With the plants.
My job is to support plants. I'm a plant guy. I'm a plant man. I'm a grower of things. A grower of stuff. Grower of stuff. Hey, you know what?
I know, right? It's a fucking job. It's a fucking job.
Just hit overtime, so pays time and a half, right?
I know. That's what. And now at least I'm not gonna get taxed. Better hurry up with that.
He was. He was a.
Booby traps.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I went to Florida and I didn't notice at the time, but the person I left to entrust him with while I was gone had just recently relapsed on heroin. And he was off somewhere doing shit and didn't feed the dog for a week. Yeah. It was, yeah.
Hey, what was it the 9th of next month?
11.
At the speakeasy?
Yeah.
11.
11.
You know this one? I brought 3 of them. I gave that one to Christian.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye, love you.
I love you, dude. I'll see you on Saturday.
Hey, latest, we need to be there at 2.
I will be. Goodbye. Goodbye, Saturday.
Like, park at 1:45 and get in the building at 2.
Take 15 minutes to walk in the building.
Sounds like a band leader, don't we?
I am the ringleader of. Otherwise, they'll show up late.
I know.
I have to be a dick about it, but you know I love them. And really, I know they're going to be late anyways, so the actual time is 2:45 at the latest, but I told them 2 at the latest because I know they'll get there at 2:30.
Yeah. But there's no money riding on it, is there? What do you win if you win?
500 cash and a headline spot burger day, which if you don't win, we get a spot burger day. El Reno is the home of the fried onion burger, and Burger Day is a big giant burger festival. The main stage and it's music all day. And they have a 25-foot diameter onion fried burger that's like 8 inches
Wow.
thick that the fire department cooks in front of like thousands of people every year. And at 3 o'clock every day, they serve pieces of it to everyone for free.
Wow.
Really cool.
Where is it at?
El Reno.
Man.
First Saturday of May in El Reno.
Yeah.
And fucking, you have to eat it with a fork because if you try to eat it with your hands, it just falls on the ground.
Right.
It's so fucking thick.
Perfect sense to me.
It's like 8 inches thick burger. And it's fucking delicious.
Once you switch them around a couple of times on an open mic, you're like, I try to keep it simple. That helps a lot, dude. I just plug it all into that, and that's fed into this. I just turn that up.
Oh yeah.
So I can run all that from my phone back there, vocal and guitar, piano, or whatever.
Yeah.
The amps on the stage or what the hell.
I know.